In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add the lunar calendar in Google Calendar. Open a new browser tab and go to Google Calendar. Once your calendar loads, look in the top right corner of the page and click the Settings gear icon. A small menu will open. From that menu, click Settings. The full settings page will open next. You will see a sidebar on the left with different categories, and a larger settings panel on the right where the selected options appear. In the left sidebar, find the General section. Under General, click View Options. The View Options panel will load on the right side of the screen. This is where Google Calendar keeps display settings, including options like showing weekends, showing declined events, reducing the brightness of past events, and choosing an alternate calendar. Now scroll down if needed until you find the Alternate Calendars dropdown. It currently shows None. Click the Alternate Calendars dropdown to open the list of available calendar systems. From the list, select Chinese. This is the standard Chinese lunar calendar option used for traditional lunar dates and festivals. You may also see Hebrew, Hijri, Indian, Korean, and Persian in the same list. But for this setup, choose Chinese. Google Calendar saves this change automatically, so there is no Save button to click. Now go back to your calendar view. Click the back arrow in the top left corner next to the Settings heading. This returns you to the main calendar. In the top right view switcher, click Month if you are not already in Month view. Look at any day cell in the calendar. You should now see the regular Gregorian date with a second, smaller lunar date shown underneath it. Next, click Week in the view switcher. In Week view, check the top of each day column. The alternate lunar dates should appear there as well, so you can confirm the setting is working in both views. If this helped, hit like and subscribe for more quick tutorials. Your calendar now shows two dates wherever the alternate calendar appears, the Gregorian date first and the traditional lunar date beneath it. Future cultural festivals, such as Lunar New Year and Mid-Autumn Festival, can now be spotted directly by their lunar date labels. The overlay stays active across devices signed in to the same Google account.